If your brows are looking like this,
Oh
this,
no. Oh no.
or this,
Oh no, no, no.
then this video is for you. You're gonna need a spoolie, a brow pencil, a brow pomade, and your concealer. Start grooming your brows and pay close attention to the different placements. So we're gonna start with light, hair-like strokes. And first, what you want to do is establish a baseline. And when I say baseline, I'm talking about this right here, right? That's what you want. And if you recognize, right, I'm doing light. Now, this is what you don't want to do. Oh, I'm just gonna draw this on. That's wrong, okay? We're not doing that in 2025. So again, creating a baseline from the bottom of your brows, you want to use a light hair-like strokes. Recognize where my finger is at. You don't want to go below that area because that's not natural. Remember the different placements I showed you before. So right there, you want to start your brows so that it looks natural. Sometimes I see where persons start at the extreme top and they square in the brows. That's gonna make it crazy unnatural. We don't need that. And just take your time and create hair-like strokes, especially in the direction of your natural brows. As you apply your concealer, make sure your hands are steady and use your fingers to kind of pull back your skin so that the concealer glides on easily. Pulling the concealer all the way down your eyelids because we're going to blend that eventually and that's going to create a really nice base. As you can see by now, I'm using two concealers and that's really optional. I've used one concealer in the past and that works well, but I find that the two concealers that I've been using, it looks so much better. I use the lighter concealer below the arch and then I use the concealer that is my shade everywhere else. And as soon as you start blending everything will look seamless and clean and give you a flawless base. So you're not gonna mess up if you use one concealer, that is totally okay. Now onto the brow pomade. You're gonna do the same steps as before, however, you're gonna be even more gentle with the brow pomade. And that is why I recommend the brow pomade for those who are a bit more intermediate or advanced in doing their brows. But if you're a beginner, then you should start with a brow pencil. And as you progress in doing your brows better and better, then I would suggest using a brow pomade just to test it out and see if it's something that you like too.